Harold. Harold. Stop. Harold, what? Why? Why are you so upset? He's not even touching you. He's playing this his toy. What? Yeah. Okay, come, baby. What? What do you don't like? Tell me story. Tell me your story. What you don't like? Okay. He's annoying. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. He bites you. Yeah, I get it. What else? But I do love you too. What? Okay, honey. Okay, my baby. I get it. Can I hug you? Can I hug you? Can I hug you, my baby? Can I hug you, my sweetheart? It's okay. I love you too. I love you. Don't worry. Don't be jealous. I know, honey. I know. You know what I'm gonna give you? I'm gonna give you колбаска. Do you want a колбаска? Do you want a chicken? I love you, baby. Don't worry. See, I love your smile. I love your smile. The best smile in the whole world. Yeah, don't worry. You're so sensitive. You're so sensitive. I get it. I get it. Look at him. He don't do anything. He plays his toy. Yes? Yes? Yes, baby. My sweetheart. No, I'm gonna touch you. Yes, yes. Yes, my sweetheart. Yes, my sweetheart. Look at you now. I'm gonna kiss you. Can I kiss you? Can you kiss? No, no, you don't want to let me kiss you. You don't let me kiss you. I'm gonna kiss you. I love you. Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Give me the best smile. Come on. You try to befriend him, but he don't want it.